Good morning, guys. Hello, it's Tracy from Country Charm by Tracy, and I'm doing just an impromptu live because it is early and I'm getting things ready for, I have Craft Around the Clock today at 11:30 Central Time. And yesterday I found a new wood circle supplier. Actually found him on TikTok. And so he kept showing up on my feed or my your page. And so I got my order in yesterday, so I just wanted to share with y'all in my community on Facebook as well as YouTube, because I do quite a few paint the rounds for my wreath attachments, and also for I'm starting to paint some door hangers. I'm putting the website in. Good morning. Hi, Erin. Thanks for hopping on. It's early this morning. It's 7:08 here in Southeast Texas, and so I didn't send out a text message to my group because it was early, but I was getting things ready. I was cleaning stuff up. I said, well, let me go ahead and go and do that. All right. So, like I said, this is just an impromptu. I'm just coming on here. I found a new wood round supplier. He's out of Georgia. It's American made, small business. So that is near and dear to my heart. Hello, Terry. Hi, Eileen. Thanks for hopping on, guys. So, this past week this whole week I have been doing Christmas in July. I've been doing it for probably since like 2018. That's when I could see as far back. I don't know. I've just been doing it like this week. And so I've been having a lot of fun. Well, I had done a new door hanger. This was my door hanger. This is a brand new project that I did on Sunday. So if you would like to see that, if you haven't, it's on my Facebook page as well as on my YouTube channel. The full tutorial of how I, painted the sign, how I did the truck, and hand lettered the little, little sign here, and how I did everything. So I'm having so much fun with these, so much fun. And so like I said, I found this guy off of TikTok, and so I've just been buying my wood rounds from Hobby Lobby, which I'm not knocking because that's my store, and or Dollar Tree. So like this one is one that I did for patriotic. This is just the wood round that I got from the Dollar Tree, which is nice and thin and all of that stuff, and great for like little wreath attachments and that. But if I wanted to, sell them or, have them available for local pickup, I wanted to offer a little bit better quality. So I don't have, this is the one from the Dollar Tree. And then that one, I don't know, does it have a size on it? I guess I could measure it. Morning. Hi, Sharon. Hi, Aileen. So this one's from the Dollar Tree. It's about 12 inches. And these from Hobby Lobby are 10 inches. And so those are like the perfect size for my wreath attachments. And so then like this one is a 14-inch circle from Hobby Lobby. And it's out of, they look like this. They're the wood pile and stuff like that. And so plywood circles. And so, like I said, I've been watching some, I'm getting more, I'm kind of getting hooked on TikTok. And so all these door hanger people were popping up on my feed, I guess, because I paint and stuff. And so this guy, his name is Hunter, and he has that small business. It's called Boreal Wood. And Boreal Wood is his business. Anyway, he's a small local business out of Georgia, but he's growing. And he's so personable. And I'm not sponsored by them. I just like to share store where I get stuff, and there's so many of my friends that like my hauls, and so I'm just kind of sharing just some new stuff that I found, if you're, you know, interested in that type of thing. Anyway, so I went ahead and placed the order. I wasn't sure what to expect, so I just want to show you what I got. So everything is packaged so well. I mean, it's just so, I placed the order and like got a text message immediately thanking me for my order, and then also it like sent me like that afternoon, like my order had shipped. I'm like, oh my gosh. And so I don't know exactly, but it was like just a few days and I got my order. So these are, oh goodness, these are the 12-inch rounds. Yes, these are the 12-inch rounds, and I bought, like, you can get a pack, and so I put the link in the, I pinned it in the comments, and on YouTube, I will also put it in the description box so that, you know, if you would like to check it out. And so I'm all about supporting local businesses, supporting small businesses, and made in the USA. And so anyway, they're wrapped like this. And so these are the 12-inch. These are made out of birch wood, which is different. And so if you follow him on TikTok, I'm not sure, I think he has a page. I'm going to tag his page here on Facebook, and then I think he's on YouTube as well, so I will put all of his information in there. Again, I'm not sponsored. I'm just excited to find someone who's so passionate about what he does. So this is birch wood. This is a 12-inch, and I've worked with birch wood before, and guys, I could get my husband to cut out these, but then we would have to go buy the wood, and I would have to, you know, bother him to cut these circles. Look. They're perfect. And so I'm like, I'll just give him a chance, you know, just to see. And so this is like a pack of 10. And so all of his pricing and everything is on the website. And so he offers different wood bundles. And so then I also got, this is the 15-inch. And so I thought this would be a great size for the door hangers. Like this. Now this one is from, this background is from, it's one that I use from Hobby Lobby. So, but this is the 15-inch round, and and I think he even does bigger. So door hangers are extremely popular right now. So just sharing because I'm going to be, you know, if you follow my page, I'm going to be doing more door hangers, painting, because that is my most requested thing, is more painting. And so that's why I'm sharing this, because, you know, people always want to know, where'd you get your stuff? Where'd you get that? And so this is the 15-inch, and it's birch wood. And so, like I said, he has different packages and stuff. I'm not sponsored. I just am excited about my order, and I just wanted to share it with my friends. Hi, Mary Lee. Hi, Peggy. Hi, Terry. Yes, Terry, they're sanded. Yes, they are. And I think he does like a lot of behind the scenes in his shop on TikTok. If you just search Boreal Wood, or his name is Hunter. I forget his last name, but Boreal Wood, it should, you know, pull up. And so he takes you like behind the scenes and that kind of thing. And then I ordered the pack of the ornaments, these little small circles, because, you know, we're only in July right now, and so Christmas is going to be coming soon. So I'm kind of thinking ahead, like for ornaments. And then I like these little circles, which are bigger than anything that I find at any of my stores. And so I said, well, let me just give it a try. You know, I'm all about supporting the little man, and you know, so these little circles like this. I forget about 5-inch circles. So 5-inch circles, those are going to make cute ornaments. And there were like 40 in a pack. And so all of his prices and everything are on the website. And, you know, as I said, I'm not sponsored. I just wanted to share you know, my order of what I got. And, you know, because, like I said, I will try to, you know, when I do new things, I will try to share it with my community on Facebook as well as YouTube. And so, I appreciate the people that I follow when they share, you know, different tidbits of things. I mean, and so I want to do that for you, for my community. I appreciate all of your support, your comments on all of my videos. You know, you can find me on Facebook as well as YouTube. I'm also on Instagram. And so I will be back today at 11:30 Central Time for another segment of Craft Round the Clock. And so it is Grocery Trash to Treasure Week, themed week, all this week for Craft Around the Clock. And so what that means is that we are encouraged to, you know, recreate recycle, do a craft with something that we would normally throw away. And so since I had already had this plan for my Christmas in July, I'm going to be making a Christmas in July Trash to Treasure, you know, craft, and I hope that you join me at 11:30 Central right here on my page, and I will also upload it to YouTube so that my friends can watch it on the replay, watch it later. All right, guys, we'll see you at 11:30, or we'll see you on the replay. Y'all have a great day if I don't see you back, and if I see you at 11:30, chat with me. All right, guys, see you then. God bless.